Well, I'm relatively new to the leadership development. I was a regional business director, so it really helped give me a framework for how to develop training for leadership development. It gave me a process, and it determined the steps you need to take to make sure that your shareholders are involved at the beginning and that you're able to deliver on training, which is sometimes very difficult to measure the effectiveness of. So it really helped me a lot to partner with people and really focus on data more so than anecdotal opinions about the training itself. You know, I have to say, when I came into the 6Ds, I was a little skeptical. I've been in a lot of different classes. I've been in a lot of different workshops where you get a certificate and you have a binder, a dusty binder that goes on the bookshelf. This particular training was real world. It was authentic. It was something that helped me in my job. It was something that made me more effective. And I actually heard from my coworkers and people I trained, hey, this is great. It was some of the best training I ever had. And that was stuff I didn't hear. And the only discernible difference between my previous training classes and the current training class was the way I developed the training as a result of 6Ds. So I would recommend it to anybody who's doing training, whether it's a frazzled veteran or a neophyte rookie. It's something that's really invaluable and adds so much value as you try to deliver training to your organization and drive business outcomes. One of the things that was extraordinary about the training is the level of professionalism and training experience of the participants. So our teacher, Ray, he was much more like a facilitator than doing didactic training. So we got to work and interact with each other. And it was very positive because I got to gain insight from people who were doing the same thing in other companies. But also we took our ideas and we kind of cross-pollinated as a result of the way the class was facilitated. So it was almost invaluable really to build those relationships in the class. And I've developed and kept those relationships way after the class as we all try to execute 6Ds in our subjective work environments.